Hello students. Okay, today we will start the maths class related to the sixth class. Okay, my name is Sivanagar Kumar. Okay, I will deal the math subject for you. Okay, if you consider the sixth class math subject, we have maximum 60% of syllabus already we know one only. We have some extra only we will learn in sixth class. Very easy topics will be there in sixth class textbook. Okay, what is the first chapter here? Knowing our numbers. Knowing. This is the first chapter in your textbook. Knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers. Okay, by seeing this chapter, already some members will have feel happy because already you know well about the knowing our numbers. What is the knowing our numbers? We will discuss here. Okay, if you take any number, okay, that will have some numbers. What are the numbers here? By if you want to write any number, those will use digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By using these 10 digits only, we can write any number, either a small digit number or largest digit number, any number. If you want to frame, we have to use these 9 symbols only. By using these 9 only, we can write the number. Already in the previous class, we have learned about the comparison of numbers. How we can compare. Whenever a number is given to you, how we can compare, we will discuss here. Okay, for example, I take one example here. Okay, 385. Next, 384. 385, 389. I take one number here, two numbers here, 385, 389. I want to compare these. We have to do the comparison. Okay, whenever if you want to compare these, before going to comparison, first identify the number of digits in the each number. Okay, how many digits are there? We have how many digits are there in each number? First identify. By using that one, we can compare sometimes. Okay, rarely but that is not able to compare, but sometimes that is possible to compare with by counting the number of digits. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are here. Okay, 3 digits. 3 digits. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Whenever we have 3 digits, for example, here we having 3 digits. Whenever if you have here 3 digits, same number of digits are there means we can compare the each digit by the right side. Okay, how we can compare that we can see. Okay, I take one more example here. 2879, 489, 189. Okay, like this given. Okay, in this we have to count the number of digits. Okay, this comparison I will say how we can compare. Wait sometime. Okay, go for the next comparison. What is the numbers here? 2879. Okay, 18979. Okay, but already we know how we can read this number. Later we can discuss that one. But we have to identify the number of digits here. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. 4 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Here, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Whenever a number having more digits, then that is the bigger number. Can you say which is the bigger? Okay, here we have 4 digits. Here 5 digits. Whenever more digits having number is there, then that is the bigger. So we can say this is the big number. This is big means what will be this one? Small number. This is the small. Compare with these two numbers. Okay, whenever if you take one more example, 1792, 899. Okay, like these numbers are given to you. Okay, which is the bigger? Which is the smallest? I want to know. Okay, if you take consider these numbers, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 no, 3 digits only. While I am counting digits, carefully how to count. Don't count. Okay, these are the 4 digits. These are the 3 digits. Okay, here 4 digits are there. Can you say which is the biggest? So we can conclude, we can say which is the biggest. This is the biggest because this having 4 digits, this having only 3 digits. Okay, 7 1 7 9 2. Okay, 1 7 9 2. Okay, the next while two numbers having the same number of digits. Two numbers having the same number of digits. Then how we can compare? Okay, for example here, these two numbers having the same number of digits. Then how we can compare? Okay, first comparison start from the right side, left side of the digit. Left side. From this side onwards, we have to compare each digit. Okay, this is the first digit. Okay, from this side we have to take, this is the first digit, second digit, third digit. Like that, so we have to compare the digits. Okay, first digit what are here? 3 3 same digits. Go for the, whenever same digits are there, go for the next digit. Okay, go for the next digit. What is the digit here? 88. Okay, both are same. Whenever both are same means what we can say? Then they both are simple. Go for the next digit. So don't consider it. Go for the next digit. What is the digit here? 5 9. While comparison, you have to remember which place digits you are comparing. That place only you have to take consideration. Okay, I am taking from left side third place. Okay, from left side we can take only third only. Don't consider another place. Okay, here 5 9. Which is the bigger? In 5 9 which is bigger? 9 is bigger. 9 is bigger. So we can conclude this total number is bigger. This total number is bigger. This number will be small. This number will be small. Go for the next comparison. Okay, what is the comparison? 4 9 8 9 5. Okay, 9 9 8. Okay, like this comparison given to you. 4 9 9 8. Okay, we have same number of digits here. Here 1 2 3 4 digits here. Here 1 2 3 4 digits here. Both numbers having the same number of digits. Then we can compare from the left side. Here we have 4 digits. Here we have 4 digits. Here having 4 digits. Compare from the left side of the each number. Okay, this is the left side. This is the right side. Okay, right hand side is there 5, left hand side is 4. Okay, compare the left side onwards. First digit what is here? 4. What is the first digit here? 4. 4 4. Same or not? Same. Go for the next digit. What is that here? 9. What is the digit here? 9. 9 9. Same or not? Same. Go for the next digit. 8 9. Both are same or not? We have to compare each digit whenever we are getting, whenever up to different digit. While you are getting the different digits. Okay, this is the 8, this is the 9. This is the 8, this is the 9. Both are different or same? Different. Both are different means we can say 8 and 9. We can identify which is the bigger, 8 or 9? 9 is bigger. So we can conclude, no need to compare random number. Already which are the same, we have to leave those. Go for the next different up to different digits you have to take. Okay, different digits what are here? 8 to 9. So no need to compare these. Okay, we can conclude which is the bigger. This is the bigger. This is the bigger. I think all have, this is the smaller. This is the smaller. I think all have you got one idea about the comparison of numbers. We will start the exercise 1.1. Okay, in this knowing our numbers. Exercise 1.1, page number 2. Exercise 1.1. Okay, in this exercise 1.1, what is the question? Which is the greatest and smallest? Among the group. Among the group. Okay, one group is given to in the group. Which are the biggest? Which is the smallest? I want to write. First number is Okay, this is the first question. This discuss after we can go for the next question. See here, how many numbers are given there? 1, 2. This is comma. Comma we given means those are different numbers. Okay, this is one number. This is one number. Then we have to underline comma before part, comma after part. Okay. Okay, this is one number. This is one. Totally, how many numbers are given to you? 4 numbers are given. 4 numbers are given. In those 4 numbers, which is the biggest, which is the smallest? I want to identify. That will be question given. Which is the greatest and the smallest among the group? Okay, in these 4 numbers, which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number? We want to identify. Okay, here, see here. Each number already in previous only we told that one. What that one I told before going to comparison, count the digits of each number. Count the digits of each number. Okay, here in first number, this is the first number, second, third, fourth. In first number having how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Okay, next go for the next number. Okay, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here only 5 digits. Okay, next go for the next number. Third number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits are here? 5 digits. How many digits are there? 5 digits. Okay, go for the fourth number. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also we will have 5 digits. Now all numbers having equal number of digits. Equal number of digits means what we can do? Compare each number from left side onwards. Okay, from left side onwards we have to compare each number. Okay, starting number what is 1, 1, 1, 1. Same or different? Same. 4 numbers having the same only. Go for the next digit. 5, 5, 5, 5. Second digit I am comparing. Second digit is also same or different? Same. Same means go for the next digit. What is the third digit? 4, 8, 3, 5. Same or no? Different digits are there. Okay, 4, 4, 8, 3, 5. Okay, 4. Okay, see here 4, 8, 3, 3, 5. Okay, 4 numbers having the different digits only. Whenever 4 numbers having different digits, okay, now compare 4, 8, 3, 5. Which is the bigger? We have 4, 4, 8, 3, 5. Which is the bigger? 8 is bigger. Okay, this is having a big number. Biggest and greatest number equal to greatest number equal to 1, 5, 8, 9, 2. Leave this one. Okay, now don't consider this one. Okay, already completed greatest number. In these 3 numbers, which is the smallest I want to? In these 3 numbers, which is the smallest? If you go for 4, 3, 5. Which is the smallest? 4, 3, 5. 3 is the smallest. 3 is the smallest means we can say this is the smallest. Smallest number equal to 15370. Okay, what we done here? Okay, first take the given numbers. In those given numbers, identify the number of digits in each number. Okay, after identification of each number digits, those are equal or not. First, observe. If all digits having the equal number of digits, compare from left side of each number. Okay, from first digit. So go for the whenever first digits are same in 4 number. Okay, we can go for the second digit. Second. Okay, like that we give different digits up to we are getting. We can continue the compare up to different digits we are getting. Up to we have to compare the numbers. Okay, we can take one more example here. For example, one more example. I will say here. Okay, so in that one only. Second one. 25073. 25289. 35800. Next 25800. Next one is wait 35 only. 35 25623. 25623. Okay, these numbers I take here consideration. Okay, one number is this one, first number, second number, third number, fourth number. Okay, first identify number of digits in each number. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. 5 digits. Number of digits is this. Number of digits. I am writing here. Number of digits. Number of digits how many here? 5. Number of digits how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count it 0 also. That is also one digit only. Okay. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Okay, all 4 numbers having equal number of digits or not? Equal number of digits. Now compare the digits from left side. Compare the digits from the left side. Okay, what is the left side digit? First one 2, 2, 3, 2. In those 4 numbers, same numbers are there 4 numbers. Then only we go for the next digit. But here one digit is different. Observe again. 2, 2, 3, 2. Okay, 2, 3 are same? No. Okay, can we say 2, 3? Which is bigger? We can say 3 is bigger. Yes or no? Yes only. 3 is bigger. So we can say this is the greatest number. This is the greatest number. Greatest number equal to 35800. Greatest number is 35800. Now go for the smallest number identification. Okay, in these 3 numbers, first digit is 2, 2, 2 only. Okay, don't consider this one. No need to consider. We decided this is the biggest one. Okay, no need to consider that one. Only consider these 3 numbers. By considering these 3 numbers, identify the smallest number. Okay, what is the first digit here? 2, 2, 2. Same, both 3 numbers having same digit, first digit. Go for the second digit. 5, 5, 5. Same or different? 5, 5, 5. Same one. Go for the next digit. 0, 2. Third digit I am taking. Third digit. 0, 0, 2, 6. 0 to 6 are same? No. So 0, 2, 6 are different. 0 to 6 are different means which is the smaller? We say? We can say 0 to 6. In these 3 digits, 0 is the smaller. So we can conclude this is the smallest. Smallest equal to 25073. Okay, by using this comparison only, we can go for the new topic. What is that new topic? Ascending order, descending order. Already we know well ascending order, descending order. But we have to write again in this session also. We have ascending order, descending order. What is ascending order? Arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay. Okay, now we can deal the ascending order. Ascending order. So next one is the descending order. These are very easy to use because already we know well ascending order, descending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Arrange the numbers whenever numbers are given to you. Okay, if you want to write ascending order means more than one number you have to take, then only you can write ascending order. Okay, with one number this is not possible to you. Already we know that first. Okay, ascending order means arrange the numbers from small to big. Small number to big number. Small number to big number. If you arrange the order, then that order is called ascending order. Then that order is called ascending order. Arrange the numbers small number to big number. Small number to big number, then that order is called ascending order. For already we know ascending order. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you arrange like this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the value will be increasing. Okay, so this is the ascending order. Example I am saying, they will give their own examples. For those we want to write ascending order, descending order. For example, I am taking small numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the ascending order. What is the ascending order? Whenever a ascending order is related question you got means how to blindly remember. Arrange the numbers small to big. Arrange the numbers small to big. Now we go for the descending order. What is the descending order? Descending order means ascending means we are going very easily how to remember. If you want to go for the upstairs, we will use the steps. One by step we will walk. Okay, okay. This is the ground floor. Okay, I want to go for the this upstairs. Okay, some height is there. That means we will just use the steps. We will use the steps. Okay, we will use the steps. Okay, if you if you are going from ground level to upstairs, we will go towards like this. That means our height will be increased. Okay, towards the ground floor. Okay, then that is the descending order. If you are taking opposite that one, we are come down from the upstairs to ground floor. Then it will be descending order. Okay, we are stepping upwards. That is the ascending order. We are stepping downwards. That is the descending order. Okay, descending order means have you got idea? Yes, that only. What that one? Arrange the numbers big number to small number. Arrange the numbers big number to small number. Arrange the numbers from big number to small number is called descending order. Is called descending order. Okay, arranging descending order example means, for example, I want to take these only. Arrange these big to small. Big to in this big is which is 4. Next 3. Next in these 2 is bigger 1. Okay, this is the descending order. Whenever numbers are given to you, we can arrange them either ascending order or descending order according to the given numbers. Okay, while comparing, we have to remember one important step is first one, we have to count the number of digits of each number. Okay, if digits are having equal number of digits, go for the comparison of each digit from the left side. Okay, that one we will discuss later.